All right, friends, today we're going to continue our work on the consonant LE syllable. Remember, our objective is to read, write, and spell words with the consonant LE syllable. So we're going to start today by playing a game. On this top box here, you are going to play connect four, which means you want to have 4 in a row. So you're going to play against a partner. Remember, you are the only person who can write on your book. So you have to write for both you and your partner on your book, and then your partner will write for both you and your partner. Because we've done this several times now, I expect that you will know how to do it. We are only in the top box with words. Only in the top box with words. We're going to skip the phrases. You can pause the video while you do that. All right, we're going to do some word chaining. In the word chaining today, we're going to start with the word grumble. 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 So you're going to write the word grumble in the top box. Now change the word grumble to tumble. Tumble. In the second box, you're going to write tumble. So we have grumble, tumble, and now we're going to change it to fumble. 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 Fumble in the third box. Grumble, tumble, fumble, and the last word is rumble. Rumble. So we have grumble in the first box, tumble in the second box, fumble in the third box, and the last box is rumble. Please remember, if Miss Hill went too fast, you can always rewind the video, or you can pause it along the way. Moving on, we're going to write a multisyllabic word in a sentence. So the sentence is, Janet saw a beautiful sable horse by the trickling stream. Sable is the color of the horse. It's a brown color. So the sentence again is, Janet saw a beautiful sable horse by the trickling stream. Remember, you can pause the video as you go along, or you can rewind the video to hear that sentence again. And our final activity for today is to read Eagle finds a bugle. A bugle is like a horn. They used it a lot in the army as a instrument. It's very much like a trumpet, except without the keys. So our story is Eagle finds a bugle. Please read the story to a partner. Remember to be a good listener when your partner reads. And that is all we are doing for decoding today.